Solve the equation. Solution. We have 6 divided by 4z plus 1 minus 2 divided by z equals to 2.5 divided by z. Now, the first thing to do is to convert 2.5 from mixed number to an improper fraction. So we have 6 divided by 4z plus 1 divided by minus 2 divided by z equals to, we have 2.5 here. Converting 2.5 to an improper fraction, 2.5. 2 times 2 we have 4. 4 plus 1, that is 5. So we have 5 over 2 divided by z. Now we are going to collect the like terms at this level also. We can see that the denominator of this term is z, and this one is also z. So we can move this to the right. Now we have 6 divided by 4z plus 1 equals to 5 divided by 2 divided by z. Then moving this one to the right will become plus divided by plus 2 divided by z. Now they have the same denominator. Now it means that we need to add this together. So we have 6 divided by 4z plus 1 equals to, since they have the same denominator, it means that the LCM is also the denominator. Then we add the powers together. So we have 5 divided by 2 plus 2. So we combine the numerators. So what we have here, this 2 is like 2 divided by 1. So from here we have 6 divided by 4z plus 1 equals to what? Looking at what we have here, what is the LCM? That is 2 for the numerator. Now everything here divided by z, don't forget. So simplifying the numerator, the LCM of 2 and 1 is 2. So 2 divided by 2, we have 1. 1 times 5, we have 5. Now, 2 divided by this 1, what do we have? That is 2. 2 times 2, we have 4. So we have plus 4 here. Now we have 6 divided by 4z plus 1 equals to, what do we have here? This is 5 plus 4, that is 9. So we have 9 divided by 2. And everything divided by z also. So we can say dividing by z also, what do we have? We divide everything here by z. Now we have 6 divided by 4z plus 1 equals to, now this is like z over 1. Changing division to multiplication, what do we have? 9 divided by 2 times the denominator will become numerator, numerator will become the denominator, 1 over z. So we are now having 6 divided by 4z plus 1 equals to what? 9 times 1, we have 9. 2 times z, we have 9 divided by 2z. Now we have simplified the right hand side. At this level now, we can now cross multiply. So by cross multiplying, what do we have? We have 9 into 4z plus 1 equals to what? 6 times 2z. 6 into 2z. By expanding the bracket, what do we have? 9 times 4z is what? 36z. Plus 9 times 1, we have 9. At the right hand side, we have 6 times 2z. What do we have? 12z. So at this level, we can now collect the like terms. 36z and 12z are like terms. So we can bring 36z to the right. We move 36z to the right. Now we have 9 equals to what? 12z minus, by the time this comes to the right, it becomes minus 36z. So we now have 9 equals to what? What is 12 minus 36? Bigger number from smaller number. So this will give us minus 24. We now have minus 24z. For us to find the value of z, what do? We are going to divide both sides by the coefficient of z. And what is the coefficient of z? Is a number in front of z, which is minus 24. So dividing both sides by minus 24, what do we have? Divide both sides by minus 24. Now minus 24 in minus 24, that is 1. And here we can reduce this. What number will divide 9 and 24 without any remainder? We can use 3. 9 divided by 3, we have 3. And 24 divided by 3, we have 8. So it means that here, we can now have z. This implies that we have z equals to what? Don't forget, there is minus at the denominator. So plus divided by minus, this place carry like plus. So plus divided by minus is minus. So we now have minus 3 divided by 8. So the solution to this problem is z equals to minus 3 divided by 8. Thank you.